Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to check Honda Insight hybrid battery health. Maintaining your hybrid battery is essential for your vehicle's longevity and efficiency. A healthy battery ensures consistent power delivery and excellent fuel economy. Ignoring battery health can lead to decreased performance and potentially costly repairs down the road. We will explore the most effective method for a thorough evaluation. The most reliable way to assess your hybrid battery is through a professional diagnostic scan. Technicians use specialized equipment, such as the Honda Diagnostic System, connected to your car's OBD-ROMAN2 port. This system delves deep into the battery pack, reading critical data from each of the 60 individual battery cells. It provides precise voltage and internal resistance readings, which are key indicators of overall health. Once the diagnostic scan is complete, understanding the data is vital. A healthy hybrid battery will display remarkably consistent voltage readings across all its modules, typically around 270 volts for the entire pack. In contrast, a degrading battery often shows noticeable voltage imbalances between individual cells. High internal resistance in any module is another red flag, indicating that particular cell is struggling to store and release energy efficiently. Proactive maintenance and regular health checks are crucial for extending your hybrid battery's life. Early detection of issues can save you from more extensive and expensive repairs, potentially avoiding a full battery replacement. If problems are identified, professional reconditioning services can often restore battery performance, offering a more economical alternative to purchasing a brand new battery pack. Consult a specialist for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.